But let's go to stock picks. David, I alluded to the top of the show. It's Nvidia earnings day, 4 times a year. Very exciting or scary, and your stock pick.
Well, I'm going either it's going to be up 10% today or it's going to be down 10%. I'm going for the upside. The bar is very high. And so far they haven't let us down. I love the company, and I'm hoping something comes out there that will make investors celebrate. I'm just looking at the outlook. The target prices still remain very high. Analysts still remain very bullish. So I'm going with them, and it's more I'm talking my book than anything. But I'm very nervous. So we're always nervous when we have these big events, that they actually do what the analysts expect them to do. And that's not easy.
And it's not so onerous. I mean, analysts are expecting quarter on quarter, 4% up on revenue, 25% up on EPS. I mean, I know that's quarter on quarter, but for Nvidia, that's a walk in the park, surely. Well, no, tonight.
Yeah, you're looking at the wrong results. I think they're looking for like 58% or 48%.
No, that's year on year. I'm looking at quarter on quarter.
Okay, we'll see.
Yeah, anyway, it's got to be big. Schalk, you're going with Firstrand, the other side of the equation.
I had Absa, I had Standard Bank, so I need to double down now. So yeah, I'm going Firstrand. Yeah, they recently had they won this UK Supreme Court case.
Yeah.
Where against that motor finance commissions. That was overturned. That is positive. I just think in general our banks are still on the cheaper side. We look at it on a forward, or let's call it a historic price to book basis where they're currently trading around about the two times. It's still on the cheaper side for Firstrand, trading at an ROE of 21%. Nice dividend, and I think a little uptick in our economy could just do the world of good for our banks. So I'm doubling down on SA banks, and definitely Firstrand is one of my better picks.
Yeah, no, and they are cheap. Not as cheap as they have been. I'm looking at that chart. Liberation Day, yowza, they were cheap, but they're still cheap. That's all for Stock Watch today. Thanks to our guest, David Shapiro from Sasfin Securities, holding on for Nvidia. Schalk Louw, PSG Wealth, Old Oak with Firstrand. Up next to close, stay watching.